Good morning, friends, and welcome back. Really excited for this weekend. I had 12 tons of road base delivered yesterday. See, it's sitting up here, and I've got a few spots in the driveway that I've got some loose gravel, and I haven't been able to really compact it well. So I'm hoping to use some of the new road base and dress this area of the driveway, bring up the road a little bit here in front of the cabin, and I got some more loose gravel over there on this side of the circular drive. What I'm really looking forward to the most is getting some tractor time with my new top and tilt kit that I had installed. So I've got two sets of valves now, got a new quick hitch, and I'll be using the land plane to do most of the work today. Currently I have the rear blade on. We'll get that switched out. So yeah, it should be a fun day today. I'm scheduled to pick up the riding compactor today after 3, and I'll have it until Monday morning. So come along as we get this driveway spruced up. Well, it's compaction time. I got all the road base down. Now just filling up the tank. My strategy is going to be, since we have a circular drive, about 350 feet, the loop is in total. I'm going to just start on the periphery and do loops and slowly work from outside edge to inside, and then step back and see what I got. All right, I've made one pass counterclockwise, and now I'm going to make a second pass clockwise, and hopefully after that I will be done. It is too hot to be out here much longer. I'm dying. Drinking lots of water though. Hopefully you got a cold beverage as well. Well, look who shows up with a bottle of water for me.
There you go, hon. Least I can do.
Everyone wants to know where you've been this whole project, babe.
Working hard.
Yep, hardly working maybe.
Or napping on the deck.
Well, I'm glad this is about done. Got everything compacted. Now I'm gonna go switch out and put the blade on, take off the land plane, get my pile cleaned up. And I think we'll save a little bit for some hand work here in a few different spots. Hope you had fun coming along. Enjoyed having you with us. Till next time.
Till next time.
I'm Alex.
And Tammy.
From Adventures with Alex and Tammy. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
See ya.